Hey there, Jasmine with WTI. I want to share with you my Angashion leopard sleeve sweater in black. This is a size medium, and true confessions of a middle-aged mom, this is my favorite sweater. It makes me feel so cool. I have it in multiple colors. I can't get enough. I love this sweater. I get oodles of compliments on it. It's just a fun, happy piece to have. I get sad that I can't wear it in the summer when it's too hot, but I adore it. I highly recommend it. It's great quality. The material is fabulous. I've washed this many times. There's no pilling or balling or weird, awkward stretchiness after. I just cold water wash it inside out. I hang it to dry and it comes out fabulous every time. So this is a medium. I'm 5'4". I usually wear about an 8 to 10, and it fits really nicely. If you wanted to size up, you could. Looks great French tucked. You can untuck it. It's got a really nice cut there too, so it looks good. Dress it up, dress it down, but feel really cool however which way you decide to wear it. I highly recommend you hurry up and buy one of these or all of them in every color, but that's just my point of view.